Australian Dawson's bees are among the largest species of bees. A shortage of flowers in their habitat has led them to establish small, scattered colonies. The bees dig burrows for their offspring. Although harmonious, they have periods of intense conflict. This peaceful colony consists only of females, the males have died. It all happened 2 months before. The females were digging out of their dens. Their appearance provoked a frenzied reaction from the males, who aggressively competed for the right to mate with the female. The newly matured females were caught up in this turmoil, sometimes mortally wounded by the furious males. In the course of the competition, the males ruthlessly killed each other. By the time the last female emerged from her burrow, the males were dead. The brutal selection process ensured that only the strongest males would mate with females before they died. The next generation would go through the same cycle of violence when they were born.